Okay, here's the third part of our puppy area. So they have a big TV so we can play video games and all that kind of stuff. And then as they get more secure in their pottying outside, because they go out to the exact same area that they did before. So they're comfortable because it's all the same area that they're pottying in. We have an array of different toys again in here. Yes. As we become better at this, yes, I know Mom's right here. Then these gates get expanded so that they have the entire living room area. Yes.